Sawubona, sa us. We see you and we recognize you as a human. So, in Nguni Bantu, the Zulus, we believe that we are not alone. We are the product of our ancestors. So, as I'm walking, as you see me walking around, I'm not alone. I'm surrounded by my ancestors, Amadlozi, Abaphansi. We have different ways of calling them. So when I see another person, greeting is very important to us. Greeting is a way of welcoming, is a way of appreciating that we see you as a human, we see your health, you look good, and we recognize you. So if someone can just pass by without greeting, those are bad manners, very bad manners. We're evolving in this kind of living now, where you can just pass one another without greeting them. So back to the greetings. Sawubona, sa us, ubona, we see you. Or sakubona, we see you. Sawubona umhlaba. Me and us, we're grateful that we woke up and then we're still alive, we're still healthy, we're still in a good health. And then that person will also reply, yebo, yes, sawubona. Yes, we see you as well. And then even the handshake is not just a handshake. Sawubona, kunjani, ngiyaphila. You're feeling the strength of the person, if the person is in a good health or not. We can even talk about the sun, the weather, for 10 minutes. We don't even know each other. We can talk about, hey, today, I woke up. And then you can tell me your stories. Yeah, when I woke up, the taxi left me. Or when I woke up, the cows are feeling like this. Or something, We are sharing life with each other. But we're slowly losing the touch due to technology, due to people now busy now. They don't recognize each other. Maybe at some point we need to go back to our roots, go back to our ancestral way, how they used to do things, how they used to recognize each other and see other person as humans. Maybe that's why now we have so much horrible stories. People, they don't recognize each other. Maybe we should go back to the roots, to the basics, how people used to treat each other. Siyathokoza nabesilo nina benkashana kamenzi yaphusa umlaza ngameva. Nina besidlula dlele sisidle sibeke ehlaka emadolweni. Itholo la komulasi leli. Ufocus Thende. Phansi indaba zokudla indaba umfule ngophuza ubenjani. Ngithi khumu.